A little discussion as well in the breakfast. Every referees were so happy unit across. There, Palani Tuskers actually winning the toss, and Shankar wanted the coin. He does not get it. Sanjeevi says we will choose the court that we are standing.
I think Mandeep, क्योंकि पिछले मुकाबले में भी उन्होंने शुरुआत की थी और बहुत अच्छी शुरुआत की थी और मनदीप बिल्कुल दिख रहे हैं, वो भगवान को थोड़ा सा याद किया है और हम भगवान से यही कामनाएं करेंगे कि आज के दो जो मुकाबले हैं वो हमें इतने लाजवाब देखने को मिले कि कबड्डी के फैंस दुगने हो जाए। वैसे बहुत बड़ी तादाद में है, इंटरनेशनली छा रही है, पर मनदीप बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा था नवीन की पलनी टस्कर्स का डिफेंस थोड़ा सा वीक नजर आता है ऑन पेपर, क्योंकि वो वैसे सेट्स आपको नहीं नजर आते हैं, किसी भी खिलाड़ी के बहुत लाजवाब नहीं आते हैं। इस बार मनदीप के लिए पहला अंक है, पहला अंक मुरसल के लिए है, एंटी ब्लॉक किया और मिड लाइन को क्रॉस।
Right, so his dad is played for services. That is how his kabaddi came to light as Virender comes in. He has to put a lot of light on this do-or-die raid. Good that Sanjeevi is not on that right corner. You've got Shaktivel on that right corner, proper defender. The defense will not go to him is what I thought. But Shaktivel, he's made sure even Velavan is taken off. Two important points for Virender.
भी लेकर आ सकते हैं, वो साथ ही साथ वो चेरी ऑन द केक आप कहते हैं ना कि वो प्राइज मनी भी वहां पर आता है, जिससे कि कबड्डी के हर एक खिलाड़ी चाहे वो विलेजेस हो अलग अलग जगह जा सकते हैं। बड़ी डू और डाई रेड है, यहाँ पर मुकेश कन्नन को क्या डैश कर दिया गया है, शंकर का पहला टैकल है।
So that is why that angle, even though there was no power, the angle was right from Shankar to put out Mukesh Kannan outside. Now Mandeep on a do-or-die raid. He has to get a touch point. He can't play within himself. He can't be contained. And Sanjeevi, watch out. He will come for you on the running hand touch. Yeah, the right corner, not too strong for Palani Tuskers. 7 seconds, 6 seconds. I think the defense is not going for him. Sanjeevi goes. And I said, Sanjeevi shouldn't have been going.
1 point.
Sudhakar and for the same team. They both play for BVK team in their village, and they're both from SRM Chennai College. That is why that combination. Super tackle on. Can this be there? Wow, this is their struggle, and Mugilan is playing his life out. That's a super tackle. Whistle gone. Awesome. That is the friendship of the covers, and that is 2 points for Palani Tuskers. From the age of what? I think when they were in standard 6, they were playing together. Oh no, there is no Gokula Kannan. He's not come in. Shaktivel is there. Shaktivel with a frontal block. Now Mandeep with the jersey pull. That has happened. Both of them with the legs. I think this is wow, that's a one. That's the one which will be stopping the jump and the back hold from Mugilan. Wow, second super tackle, and this point should go for Mugilan.
बड़ा टैकल है और अब ऑल आउट के बहुत ज्यादा करीब है और ये सुधाकर का 300वां रेड पॉइंट है, जो पसीने की स्याही से नहाते हैं वो इतिहास।
Franchisees have called me in person and then also with Sudhakar, and every time, see, that is how you need to respect your coach. And even if Sudhakar has got the calls directly, 1 or 2, he's gone in with Sudhakar and he's gone in with Ilavarasan and he's discussed with him, saying, Coach up, see, this is what I've been getting a call for. How do I go about this? You please guide me. See, that is what you need to do, and that is what Jai Bhagwan yesterday did not do. He should have listened. He should have listened to Sohan Lal Saab. Gone in with bonus +1. Who knows? We might have 7 for the Palani Tuskers. And look at that. Nothing to choose between the Raiders. It's only the tackle. It's only the war.
वो टर्न यहाँ आए हैं और एक और आंकड़ा आपके साथ शेयर करता हूँ नवीन। मुरथल मैग्नेट्स के विरुद्ध अभी तक किसी भी टीम ने 4 या 5 अंक से ज्यादा, जब भी टीम जीती है, किसी भी टीम ने ज्यादा टैकल पॉइंट नहीं लिए हैं। और अभी ऑलरेडी पहले हाफ में पलनी 7 टैकल पॉइंट ले चुके हैं, तो क्या मुरथल के लिए अब थोड़ा मुश्किल हो सकता है?
And that is why I say Mandeep should start well. And I think he's got the bonus in the first raid of the second half. Palani Tuskers, remember, winning the Ajit on.
तो क्या मुरथल के लिए अब थोड़ा मुश्किल हो सकता है?
And that is why I say Mandeep should start well. And I think he's got the bonus in the first raid of the second half. Palani Tuskers, remember, winning the Ajit on one side. You will see Vijay on one side. Those are the two big giants who will clash in the Pongal release. Punivu and Varis, both of them are coming together. Let's see who wins the Pongal. But now, this is more important than a do-or-die raid. That has been nullified. It is not the Pongal. Sahil Kumar becomes the chutney there.
लॉबी में रखने का पूरा प्रयास किया, पर अगर सुधाकर बाहर है तो थोड़ा सा रिलीफ कहीं ना कहीं मुरथल को मिला होगा, बट रिलीफ नहीं लेना है, इसे फायर बैक कर मोमेंटम थोड़ा अपने पक्ष में लेना चाहेंगे वीरेंद्र। क्या वीरेंद्र टच पॉइंट की तरफ देखेंगे? क्या 5 अंकों की जो लीड है उसे कम करेंगे? शक्तिवेल!
Oh my God, that's a jersey pull. He's been torn apart. Oh my God, that's the pressure of the semi-finals. All right.
3 point.
Super raid by Virendra.
Number 77.
Not the right time for Palani, but
एट द राइट टाइम लेना बहुत जरूरी है, बट यहाँ वीरेंद्र का जाना, नवीन क्या लगता है एक सही निर्णय है वीरेंद्र का?
it might not be right. I'll tell you why. Because Mandeep is any which way is not in that kind of a form. Even if he had gone in, you might not know. He might have got a touch point, or even if he's Mandeep out, gone outside the bench, it was Virendra on the mat who would have brought you back. Now look at this. Super tackle in a do-or-die race. We discussed about this. Don't send your top performing raider in the do-or-die race. Astronomy makes it.
है क्या नंबर 5 फिर से बाहर जाएंगे या फिर बोनस चुराएंगे या फिर टच पॉइंट?
Yeah, this was also a discussion with Ilavarasan. He was talking to me before the match. I'll tell you. He said very clearly what Ilavarasan said after this raid as Sudhakar has gone in. Ankle hold. It's got the bonus and also bonus +1, I think. Yes, it is.
Palani Taskar.
Strami is back and this Puducherry listens to that Chanakya of Ilavarasan's coach. And he is doing the same thing, killing the clock. Again on a do-or-die raid. This time, even watch, the defense will not come to him. And that is Mandeep trying his best, going so deep. And Mugilan says, no, don't come, he's not touched me. Don't come in, don't come in. And he's clipped inside the lobby. That's a big slip for the Murtal Magnets.
ठहरने के बाद वहां पर लॉबी में अपने आप को जाते हुए नजर आए। सिर्फ वहां पर 5 मिनट का समय शेष है। डू और डाई रेड सुधाकर, एक और डू और डाई रेड में इनका आना क्या 4 के डिफेंस में थोड़ा सा डिफेंस को मौका दे रहा है कि आइए पकड़िए, पर ये सुधाकर का स्वयं पर कॉन्फिडेंस था।
Why do they don't listen to the coach? This is what happens. Coach also is not in favor of this, Romy.
1 point.
In a do-or-die raid. Yes, it is a do-or-die raid. Even if Sanjeevi's been caught, it is only 1 point. Because Shankar is on a 2-minute suspension. And it is considered that Shankar is on the mat. And as the sound gets higher in this sports arena, because it is under 30 seconds and Palani Tuskers might not lose this. That's what they feel. And the repetition of the eliminator will happen. Sanjeevi goes in under the chain and gets his points as well. Because he was playing continuously for so long. And now do-or-die raid. I think Murtal Magnets have given up. I think we should off for Murtal Magnets. We will miss Mohit Huda Saab and his team. They've done really well, but make some noise for Palani Tuskers. They are going in as the second finalist of the Yuva Kabaddi Series' winter edition, and we will have the reputation of eliminator number 1. Take a bow for the sound that's happening in this sports arena. Palani Tuskers versus Hampi Heroes in the finals.
1 point.
ये है ये टीम जो
This engineered defense very well.
और देखिए रॉकेट